Allcraft Manufacturing is our family business. My father started it in 1988 in our garage. We do a little bit of everything. I'm Tom Farrell, and I'm co-president of Allcraft Manufacturing. Our first Hurco was bought from Reynolds Machinery in 2017. And that machine's still going. It's been just great to us. We really like it. The service and support was a big key to that. And really looking around and pricing machines out, the value was there. Those coupled together, made us go that direction. And once we saw and met, the quality of their people and their capabilities, it was pretty much a no-brainer to give them a shot. It's a lot of conversational programming. There's so many reasons why that control is so friendly. It's kind of hard to go through all of them, but that was a really easy step for my guys to step into the Hurco and really just walk right into it and be able to use it. The user interface is very friendly and kind of makes sense. In 2021, we were really busy. It became pretty obvious that, hey, we're going to have to look at some automation. We don't have a lot of space here, so we didn't really have room for a lot of caging and guarding. So a collaborative robot that didn't need all of that really made sense. It worked so well that we went ahead and bought another one 6 months later and put it on our original machine. Steven had come down and trained us. We were off and running a day or two later. It makes life easier on my people.
So the robots have helped me by, I can get those going and then I can go work on another setup, another program, runs all night. We're just making profits, lights out. They're pretty impressive. They're more versatile than I expected them to be.
We had to make some extension plates, make them longer. Definitely opens your eyes. You can do a lot of different things to grab different shaped parts. Pretty friendly. We're extremely happy with the Hurcos and ProCobots. If you're going to get into automation and you haven't gotten into it, man, this is a friendly solution that has a ton of value and it works. If you have any kind of work that a robot can reliably pick up and put in a machine, just buy one. They probably paid for themselves in the first year that we had them. I wouldn't hesitate to do it again.